Since 97, Boros are defined. Boros are tortured, killed, murdered, raped. And we are demanding for the self-identity, for the political determination of the Bodo people. But the government, Indian government, they failed to listen us. The Assam government, they failed to listen us. The Bodos are not given the constitutional rights. That is why our Bodo National Students Unions are fighting for the safety and security, for the identity of the Bodo people. I'm Mr. Bonjit Manjaro Samudari, President of Bodo National Students Unions.
Bे हाखौ बेसेबां जावगोन